In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your HostPapa DNS. This is a beginner-friendly guide designed to walk you through the process step by step, making sure your domain is correctly pointing to your HostPapa hosting account. To get started, open your web browser and head over to the HostPapa dashboard at hostpapa.com/dashboard. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using the email address and password associated with your HostPapa account. If you've forgotten your details, HostPapa offers a password recovery option, so don't worry. After logging in, locate your hosting plan and click on My cPanel. This takes us to the cPanel home screen where we need to find our HostPapa name servers. Scroll down the cPanel page until you reach the Account Information section. Alternatively, check your welcome email, which should list these details as well. You'll note the default HostPapa name servers, which usually look something like ns1@hostpapa.com. Next, it's time to update the name servers at your domain registrar. Log into your domain registrar, whether it's GoDaddy, Namecheap, or another service, and navigate to the Domain Management or DNS Settings page. Here, locate the section labeled Name Servers and click on Change or Edit. To update them, choose the option for Custom Name Servers and enter HostPapa's name server information, s1.hostpapa.com, and any additional name servers provided. It's crucial to ensure that you enter these precisely as provided to avoid any potential issues with DNS resolution. Once you've entered the correct information, save the changes. You might be prompted to confirm or double check like the enter details as the final step. After everything looks correct, go ahead and click Save. We've now reached the point where we need to wait for DNS propagation. Be aware that these changes might take between 24-48 hours to propagate worldwide, so patience is key. However, you can occasionally check to see if these changes have taken effect sooner. Once enough time has passed, open your domain in a web browser. If everything is set correctly, your domain should now correctly point to your HostPapa hosting. This might take some time to show, so don't worry if it doesn't appear right away. Congratulations! By following these steps, you've successfully set up your HostPapa DNS. Always remember, these settings are crucial for your website to be accessible, so keeping a record of your DNS information is a smart move. Thank you for watching this tutorial on setting up HostPapa DNS. If you have any questions or run into any issues, be sure to reach out to HostPapa support for additional assistance. Have a great day and happy hosting!